Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3. This is the third generation Ford Focus guys, from years 2012 to years 2019, and we'll show you guys how to remove and replace engine mount on the passenger side guys. Passenger side engine mount. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. Also we'll have video for every engine mount, the one on the transmission side and one on the bottom of the engine, how to replace those as well if you need to replace them guys. Check it out. Quick introduction, we'll have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus third generation guys, and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do and all the free information that we provide to you guys. It takes quite a bit of time. Now, if you want to save even money guys, more money on parts and tools, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get everything from as well. Now, as you can see, you saw that half of the car is missing, right? Bumper is right there, all that. Why? Because we'll be doing engine replacement. So, ignore that. You don't need to do anything. We'll show you what you need to do to actually remove, okay, the passenger side engine mount now. So we need to get a jack and we need to guys support, okay, the oil pan. Okay, the oil pan underneath, just support it. Make sure that it's not going to drop, okay. You need to pump it probably about half an inch to maybe like between 1 and 2 centimeters when you support it. And those are the bolts that you need to remove. Usually guys, here you will have a coolant reservoir, but you just lift it up and you can get enough room to remove the engine mount bolts. So you don't need to drain your coolant and you don't need to do anything like that. You can just replace the engine mount pretty easy guys. This is a 15 millimeter socket guys that we're working on. Now we're working with 18 millimeter, and with that 18, okay, we have 2 nuts that we need to remove here on top. Okay, perfect. And we'll go ahead and remove the 2 bolts, 2 nuts. Make sure engine is supported guys, because otherwise it can fall. Keep your hands out of there, because if that engine falls here, you can pinch your fingers, break your fingers. It can cut your hands off guys. That's how heavy that thing is. So, one is out, second one. Okay, second nut now. Perfect. Now, what we're going to do, we'll go ahead guys and get the 15 millimeter, and we're going to remove the 2 bolts. One is there. Okay, let's check it out now. You might need to hold the engine just a little bit. Number 2 guys, right there. Now, you can go ahead, pull the engine mount, and this is it guys. This is your engine mount. This one is short, as you can see. This is a weak spot on Ford Focus guys, and if your engine mount is bad, what will happen? You're going to experience crazy vibrations, or you'll start as little vibrations. The dash will be vibrating when you're idling, but eventually guys it will get more. So you can see we got it out. So that's how you guys remove the engine mount. Putting it together is in reverse order with 2 kilo part. If you need to buy one, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can see where we got it from. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.